Karuchu. Mwenye amepotea ni my husband. He is called Zebastian Njiru. Teaches in a school in Narok North, school called Orkulto Secondary School. It is a district school. So on Tuesday last week, that is on 20th, he came home at around lunch hour. I gave him lunch. He ate with our son there. He showed our son homework, our son who is in Form 3. Then after he had finished eating, we sat outside there. We talked. He was going for a conference in Meru, a health conference in Meru. Now he told me because his vehicle had an accident, how is he going to get it to Meru? And the other principals are already there. So I told him now the best thing to do, nikamuuliza what is the time? Kaniambia it is 2:15. Nikamwambia there is a Ken Silver which passes along Mutithi Road at 2:30. So if you hurry up, you will turn the vehicle to the mechanic. By 2:30 we will be in Gurubani. That Ken Silver will find you there. So that you board it. Ken Silver lazima inafikaga Meru. Alternatively, you can call your sister and inquire from her whether the Neno Sacco they must reach Meru. So after that, I escorted him to the gates. He left. In the evening, nilimwandikia message. Nikamuuliza kama amefika. He answered the message back. Akaniuliza, nikamwambia I am going to see my mom tomorrow. That is the following day now on Wednesday. Akaniuliza kwani mom ni mgonjwa au? Nikamwambia she is under medication for arthritis. So then after that now, I did not communicate with him again. From there now, by Friday morning, because on Wednesday I didn't call, or Thursday, on Friday morning, that is when my sister-in-law called me and told me, your husband's phone is off. I know, you are with him here another day, let me call him. So sasa kumpigia, nikaambiwa ni mteja. And since that day I am just stressed. Whenever I call, ni mteja wa nambari hapatikani. Whenever I call, I have visited the police station twice. I have been to the DCI's office. So we are still trying to look for him. Yes, we are just stressed as a family. Sasa gari yake haipatikani. Mwarimu mwenyewe hapatikani. So stress ndio mingi. Mwenye ako na yeye, mwenye amemuona ama mwenye amemfugia, hata kama whatever the problem is, if he owes you any money, see, it is even better you tell us, tutalipa hiyo.
Majina naitwa William Waweru Mushiri. Mimi brother yangu ndio imepotea, na brother yangu anaitwa Zebastian Njiru Ukunju. Yeye ni mwalimu na ni principal wa secondary school, na amekuwa akifanya kazi vizuri. Ni mtu ambaye hajakuwa na maneno mingi, lakini kutoka Jumanne hatujawahi sikia mambo yake. Simu ikaenda off, tukampatia siku ya kwanza, siku ya pili tukamjaribu simu haingii, na sasa imefika bahari tukamwangalia mpaka kwake nyumbani, tukapiga shule. Sasa imefika bahari, sasa tukashindwa, kwani dunia mtu anapotea tu hivyo. Saa hii hata gari yake ipatikani, yeye hapatikani. Sasa tunakaa hivi, hatukuli, kazi hatufanyi, ni kumtafuta. Tukisikia kasimu kidogo tunakimbia banda hii. Tukisikia hapa hata sasa tunaomba mtu yeyote atamuona atuambie. Sisi tunataka tu kumuona. Tukimuona sisi tutatosheka. Tulipo ripoti kwa polisi, tulikuwa tukapatana na CID. Tulienda wakatafuta na ile signal ya polisi, wakatuambia amepotelea area hii ya Mwea, hiyo ya Wanguru. Na kutoka hapo hiyo signal ilipatikana I think on Tuesday. Kutoka Tuesday hakuna pahali anapatikana. Yeye aendangi nyumba, hata kama hata rundi kama hiyo siku alikuwa anaenda, ni principal wa shule, walikuwa anaenda Meru. So alikuwa kwa safari ya kuelekea Meru. Sasa hakufika Meru. Shule kule ametoka yuko. Shule amefungua shule on Tuesday. Na hata wao sasa ni kama hata wao wameshangaa.
Mimi naitwa Agnes Njoki Gikunju, Arayasa Agnes Njoki Waweru. Mimi ni mkaaji hapa Ngurubani. I work in a legal firm, and the missing person is my brother Zebastian Njiru Gikunju. He's our elder brother. I'm the younger sister in that family. Okay, my brother is a teacher, is a principal at Orokuto, Narok County. So on Monday he was coming so that to pass through his home at IMATEITHIE. He was heading to Meru. There was teachers conference there. So on Monday the car got a slight accident. He was saying he had a slight accident on the way. Then on Monday he did not come at home, so he came on Tuesday over lunchtime and he took lunch with the family. And the wife is a teacher. She was marking the exams there in the compound. So they exchanged and she farewell and he went. He said he was heading to Meru, but he did not arrive at Meru. We confirmed with the county director at Meru. He did not arrive there. Then between Meru and MWENDWA, our brother went missing, even with his vehicle, KUHOYA 484A. So he's nowhere to be seen. From Wednesday last week till this time, we're still searching for him. We are not comfortable. We are not working. Just took our children at school. They are also disturbed. The family is psychologically disturbed. We're not working. We're just looking at him. Though we have involved the DCIO, Kiamashiri, and all over the country, they have signaled, but he's nowhere to be seen. So we are very much disturbed, hoping for the best. Kama familia, the entire family, mwenye akona brother yetu, wamuachirie watulete. Hata kama ni deni inatoshana nje sisi tutalipa. Tutashukuru. We thank God for that. Tunaomba akuje.
Polisi wanamwambia mara mwisho signal ilipotea wapi?
It is within MWENDWA East. But still, hata kwa hospitali tumemtafuta kwa morgues, but he is nowhere to be seen. We are missing you, brother.